All right, that's me packing up my stuff right now. Just about done. We're leaving. Where the hell are we? Brisbane. We're leaving Brisbane and we're going to Adelaide now. So it's a fairly long flight, like 3 or 4 hours, something like that, I think. So that's where we're going next.
You got one little door right here to get out.
We're gonna get out and check out this view one more time. You can kind of see the water way up there. We locking this shit? We think someone's gonna break in from the room when we locking this shit?
They start going, climb up.
Yeah, it's over. Hey guys, I can see our parked car from here. Just walking around, kind of checking out the area. We got in Adelaide yesterday, and it's not the town for driving, it's the town for walking. At least that's what I figured out. So I was trying to go to the mall, and it was a shared road. I was driving, there's cars able to go by and people walking to go by. And then I'm driving in, and then it's barricaded off, like poles like that in the ground. And there's no way I had to turn around somehow, but it was a pain in the ass. And yeah, everything around here is to be walking, not really driving, it seems like. Hey, how you doing? I'm just gonna get a drink, so I'll just hang out up here. You got a drink menu?
Sure, just give me 1 minute.
Yeah, right on. Oh yeah, let me just do a classic margarita.
Sure, straight up.
Yeah, I haven't came across, I've been on Australia only for like about 2 months or so, but I haven't really came across somewhere that serves Mexican food or anything like that. But I just ate like 15 minutes ago. I just had some ramen, so that I say this, I'm like, oh damn, I already ate.
Oh.
But I thought I'd come in and get a drink. Oh yeah, actually, can I do a watermelon margarita?
Sure, no problem.
All right.
So, are you doing something like social media?
I'm not here for work, but I do social media also. I do the world's largest bounce houses. That's what I do. That's what I'm out here for. How's the food over here?
Pretty good.
Oh, okay.
I love it.
All right, fine.
What did you order?
I didn't order any food. I ate before I got here. I didn't know this place was here. And then so I just came in for a drink. But yeah, no, I see the award. Yeah. What happened after 2020? You guys got awards up till 2020. What happened after that?
We haven't went for any competition after that.
Yeah. When you're the best, why enter the competition anymore, right?
Yeah. We've already proved ourselves. So
Yeah.
That's enough.
Right on. Thank you. So do you know anything about the golf that's going on? Like I've been seeing signs and I've been hearing people talk about it, like about the golf thing next weekend.
Yeah, because I hear about like this event. I think it's in where is it? It's like a big event.
Oh, okay.
About the golf.
It's like
there are like a lot of players are going to meet.
okay, nice.
It's good, but unfortunately, I don't know anything about golf much.
Yeah, I'm not a big golf guy myself. My first job, I worked at a golf course. I was like the maintenance kind of guy. I'm not a fan of it, but I was curious just to know what it was that was going on because our hotel, we're not here for that. Like we're doing something else, but they're like, yeah, we're kind of booked those 3 days, but we booked it for 2 weeks. So they're like, yeah, we can move stuff around to get you since a lot of people are here just for that golf thing. But I wasn't really sure what it was. All right, let's spread out. I'll grab a ring.
Couple down here.
All right, we'll get someone on the end. One more person on the end. Where someone take this ring.
Man, your English is fine. I understood that.
All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's us done on this end. Let's get on the other side.
Find your ring. Together on 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, again. 1, 2, 3. All right, we're gonna flap on 1, flap on 2, pull on 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit. Yeah, the inside ones are a lot smaller. They rip easier.
Has that happened before?
Yeah. Only when I pull them though. No kidding.
That motherfucker's heavy.
Yeah. This we have our one over there that they're dropping pieces for is in the Guinness World Record book for the world's largest bounce castle. So this isn't even our biggest one. Here we go. Let's get fired up. On 3.
Come on!
1, 2, 3.
That's it! Woo!
There we go. All right, same again. So, as it goes at work, so I'm thinking that mural at the Mexican restaurant was more like a prophecy. Now I'm about to be out here walking around in my underwear. Aside from being able to use it to glue vinyl on some patches for some inflatables, this stuff works really good for you to huff on and get high. Yeah, I got a small couple holes in it patch. Last thing you want to do is get this stuff on your clothes, especially your pants, because then it looks kind of like you got a little GI double Z all over you. Peels off your hands fairly easy, but clothes, you gotta throw that stuff away. Like this container, it's got a brush in it, so a lot easier to not get it as messy on you. And if you're wondering like, hey, Jared, there's like a bunch getting on the rest of the inflatable that's not covered, and there's like kids gonna be jumping in it and all that, is that dangerous? Or like, can they get like stuck to their shoes or anything? And the honest answer is, it's a fucking 100% dangerous, and I don't really give a damn. No, no, that stuff dries, and no, it's not dangerous or anything at all like that. I'm the only thing dangerous out here. Got another one to do, but play music while I